Guys, we are back at Target because I have another one of those coupons for the $5 gift card. Spend $25 on any kind of Purina and you get the coupon. So I'm going to be getting some more pet supplies for my babies, and I want to get these because they come in pouches, and those would be really great for their bug out bags.
I'm going nowhere.
Lord. That was uncalled for. What do you say? I have a coupon. Spend $25 on Purina and you get a gift card.
Oh.
Yeah. So I like to get these things for them, especially for the winter time. And if we ever have to evacuate, hurricane season. Well, same with us, but if we ever had to evacuate, you know. And where are they? Here they are. They love these darn things. Yeah, but those are the ones that Penelope really loves, and it takes her like 2 hours to chew on those.
Oats and brown rice.
Yeah, and Penelope absolutely loves them. So does Ridley and Jouette. Yeah, and if it takes Penelope 2 hours to chew on those, you know, Stormy might do well with it. You don't know.
Yeah.
You know? All right.
My glasses again.
Oh, I know. I'm fogging up too.
Come on now.
My God. Stop yelling at your child. I'm going to shut up. I'm going to shut up. What? Well, you know, it's like, seriously, you don't, I don't know. All right. Coupon on these, of any two. And then off of any one. So I don't know if they have the liners. I don't see the liners, but they have these ones. Oh my gosh. To bend down. I don't see liners.
They're probably down this thing, right here, maybe.
No, these are the Tena, but I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't see them. They're probably at Walmart or something. Or shall I say Hades. Let's see what they have. Clearance. What are we doing for dinner?
Huh?
Okay. Mom, have you checked the battery on your hearing aid?
No, I wasn't paying attention. I was just looking around.
When do you ever pay attention? I don't know.
Never. What can I say?
No, I
Make
said,
sure I don't miss nothing.
what do you want for dinner?
Oh, you ask me that all the time. I don't know.
Oh,
What do I feel like eating?
whatever I feel like making. Anything on the clearance? Yes, no?
Not that I see.
All right. Let's see if they have lids. Darn it! Nobody has lids. God.
What were you doing?
The canning jar lids. Like, you know, like the actual
Yeah.
little silver, the little lids that go on. Nobody has lids. It is impossible to get lids. Absolutely impossible. What the hell is that? Is there a leak somewhere? Is that what that's for? I need to get baskets, not something like that, but because I need to do like organization. Let me see. I might just go to Dollar Tree. Right. No, that's like tote. Nope. Ooh, clearance. No. I'm going to have to go to Dollar Tree. I hate Dollar Tree. All right, let me just check them. I lost my train of thought already. You know, your wise assness.
Getting back all the time to pick on me.
I do not pick on you. I love you. I love you. Oh, my favorite coffee, maple pecan. I want to check their clearance. Darn it, I couldn't think of the word. It's terrible. Are they still 69 cents? Yes, they are.
49.
They're 49 cents. Last week they were 69 cents.
Wow. Yay. Because they want to get rid of them, probably.
That's okay, because that's what we're here for. And these, I love these.
24 cents.
Well, you know,
Wow.
all these in Big Lots have these at 25 cents originally.
Oh.
So these are they only marked these down to 24 cents. What do they originally sell them for? 49 cents.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, you know, you can always go to Aldi's and save a lot and get them for 25 cents. But,
More pennies, huh?
yeah,
Wow.
very true, especially if you're going to be buying in bulk, which we do. So,
I love to hit the clear side.
me too. Let's load up on that Reese's. Mommy. 24 cents, huh? $0.89 for beans. Not a bad price. 69 cents for split pea. Oh. Sean will love me forever if I buy all those Reese's.
Oh, Jesus.
That's okay. We've got a dental plan.
I'm sure he'll appreciate that. Anyway, honey, you got a dental plan. You'll be fine.
Well, I mean, you know, come on. All right. I think I am. Because, I mean, who doesn't enjoy? I mean, you know. Oh, who gives a shit, Mom. Yes, I know. I'm only gonna, that's all I'm getting. Unless you're gonna be getting some too.
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Come on. Come on.
I got enough shit.
Come on.
No,
Come on.
I'm not buying nothing.
Come on.
I spent my limit.
Come on.
I spent my limit.
I'll have to come back for the rest of the... Oh, I just broke the signage. I broke the signage. Okay, that wasn't me.
I'll never tell.
Halloween. When are they going to start putting Christmas out like the rest of the stores?
Let's not push it.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, this is cute.
What is it? Oh,
$50.
that's a little too expensive.
Not for $50.
Yeah, no. We don't decorate for that, you know? We don't...
I used to. I'm getting out of it.
Oh, look, here's a little one for $8. But it doesn't
Don't move.
spin. Well, what the hell's the point? Oh.
Unless you want to have your own little town.
Piece of shit.
Oh, Dawn loves her M&Ms.
Who doesn't love M&Ms? But, motherload. Okay. Well, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Shopping with me and Mommy. Have a great day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.